Have you ever printed something at home? Now imagine printing money. People traded goods, but it got messy if someone didn't want eggs. So humans invented money, a piece of paper that says, "I owe you value." In the US, a special superbank controls money, the Federal Reserve. The Fed can turn the tap up or down to control money. In 1971, money was no longer tied to gold. Trust became everything. Fast forward to 2008, banks collapsed and people lost jobs. Then came 2020, the world shut down and fear spread. The Fed printed trillions, digitally, into banks. This is like jump-starting a dead car. Economy moves again. The dollar is global. Everyone needs it for trade. Most money stayed in banks, not pockets, so prices didn't rise yet. Then finally, inflation hits. Food, rent, gas, everything costs more. Too much money chasing too few goods. Like too many kids fighting over one pizza. So the Fed raises interest rates, slowing spending and borrowing. It's like putting ice on fire. The economy cools, but growth slows. Money isn't paper. It's belief. When belief cracks, so does the system. Every time money is printed, someone pays. Often regular people. Next time you hear they're printing money, ask who benefits, who pays. If this helped you see money differently, stay curious. Banks receive this new money, ready to lend it to the economy. Banks lend money, businesses grow, and people start spending. The economy moves again, like a car jump-started with new energy. Because the dollar is global, demand stays strong worldwide. Much of the money stays in banks, keeping inflation under control for now. Eventually, all that money reaches people, and prices start rising. Food, gas, rent, everything costs more as inflation spreads. Too many dollars chasing too few goods. Everyone feels the squeeze. The Fed raises rates to slow spending and control inflation. It's like putting ice on fire, slowing things down before overheating. Remember, money isn't gold or paper. It's trust. If trust cracks, so does the system. When inflation hits, people like Emma feel it directly. Grocery bills, rent, gas. As more money enters circulation, prices rise everywhere. Everyone has more dollars, but goods remain limited. Frustration grows. The Fed raises rates again, trying to cool the economy and curb inflation. It's like ice on fire, slowing the economy before it overheats. The dollar's global trust keeps the U.S. economy safe. For now, most money is still in banks, keeping the system stable. For a while, and regular people still feel the squeeze. Every day. Next time you hear money is being printed, ask who benefits, who pays. Too much money too fast can overheat the economy. Like a kettle about to boil. Suddenly prices spike. Everyday people feel the heat. Banks monitor closely, because too much inflation can spiral out of control. The Fed can slow money flow by raising rates or changing bank rules. Slowing spending cools the economy, preventing it from overheating. Even when stretched, the system holds, thanks to trust and careful management. After careful balancing, prices stabilize. A sigh of relief for everyday people. Banks adjust, loans stabilize. The system remains intact. The U.S. can print money because the world trusts the dollar and the Fed manages carefully. Global trade keeps demand for dollars high, supporting stability. Most of the new money never even leaves banks, helping control inflation. But if trust breaks, all bets are off. Inflation could spiral out of control. When managed well, people see stability, and life goes on. In short, printing money is safe if managed and trusted globally. Life goes on. When money is managed responsibly, it's a balance. Money works if trust is maintained. The dollar works because the world believes in it, and that belief is priceless. With careful management, everyone can benefit. So yes, the U.S. can print money without collapsing, as long as trust and careful management stay strong. Next time you hear about money printing, think about trust management and how it affects all of us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.